I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process you need to follow if you want to buy the official Trump meme coin with your Phantom wallet. So if you find this useful, please don't forget you can subscribe and leave a like. So as you can see, Trump has released a coin just 2 days ago, and I'm going to show you what you need to do if you want to buy it. So the first thing you need to have is your Phantom crypto wallet, of course. You can go to phantom.com, download it, and set it up in just a minute. Very easy. And after you have your Phantom wallet right here, you will need some Solana. So if you don't have any money, what you can do is deposit with crypto or buy with credit card. So to buy with the credit card, just click on buy and select Solana, select the amount, and buy with your credit card. You put your credit card information, and then if you want to deposit with cryptos, you can use any of those crypto to deposit money on Phantom, and then you can use it. So now after we have Solana, you need to click this button right here, and then select Solana at the top, and at the bottom, just search for Trump. Make sure you are buying the right one by clicking right here, and then scrolling down, you can see the mint. This is the token address. We go to the official Trump website, which is gettrumpmemes.com. We can scroll down and see the Solana contract address. We can see, we go back to the swapping section, we can see how it's the same token address. You can see it right here. It's the same one, so we are buying the right token. Okay, so once we select it, we just need to select how much we want to buy. And this is the approximated amount of Trump coins you will get. And this will have a small fee. You just need to click on swap now and you will get the Trump coin. In my case, I'm not going to do it because I don't want to pay the fee. I don't want to do this swap. So that's basically the process. And then the Trump token will appear right here in your crypto list. Then if you want to sell it and swap it back to Solana or any other coin, you need to follow the same steps. Just put Trump on the top and then Solana or USDC or whatever you want at the bottom and swap it. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.